Hey everybody. Hey everybody, how are you? I am so happy to be back. I hope you are loving this hot weather, and I hope you love it for me, because I personally do not like it. But you deal with what you're dealt with, right? You just deal with it. What I'm going to do today, and I've been wanting to do this now for years, and I mean literally years, is I wanted to make some wine lampshades, and I'm going to do it in our beloved Mackenzie child and bee theme. So without further ado, let's get a couple of wine glasses. Now the little tiny wine glasses, for me, it's harder to find, but if you can find them, you know, great. Now you can make different patterns, it doesn't matter, but I like different sizes. So here's one, which is our lemon theme. Remember the fiasco I went through trying to get these a couple years ago? And then here is a wine glass I just bought at the Dollar Tree. Okay, and these are heavy wine glasses. And then in here I just wanted to put a tea light just to see how it sat. So we're going to be using two different glasses right now for the different lampshades. So what I did is, you just can take a lampshade and cut it apart if you want to get the pattern, or you can go online and get one. So let me show you the different, and I just made it out of a cereal box. And here's another one. This one's a little bit longer. And then the last one, I believe, is, and then I made one out of scrapbook papers so I could keep it for my pattern. And then there's also a scalloped one. Okay, so there's different lengths, different widths, and different style. Okay, so what I've done is I made a couple to show you. Now here's a smaller one, and this would go obviously on the smaller wine glass. Okay. And you can cut this down if you want so it sits more on the rim. I'm not going to. Now I'm going to bring it down because I know you're looking overhead and I don't want to move my camera just yet. But I will when they're all done. I'll bring the camera down like I do and show you. But okay, there's one. And then here's another, and this is a completely different shade. This is almost reminds me of a Tiffany lamp, if you will, because it's got the real broad rim. Okay, so these two are entirely different. And this one's a lot bigger, but it's a bigger wine glass. Okay. I can't show you really until I bring it down. But I just wanted you to get the gist of it. Alright, so let's make a couple more. And I went ahead and cut out this. And what I did is I just followed this one, but I didn't do the scallop. And I'm also going to fold it a little bit. You see here, just to give it a clean look. And now this, you can use hot glue, you can use a glue stick, you can use double-sided tape, whatever you want. Okay, so let's see which one. And you can make a lot of these lampshades to go with different times of the season. I mean, I'll make some for Halloween, I'll make some for Christmas, Valentine's, whatever the case. So let's see, will this fit okay? Yeah, that'll fit okay. Now, the other thing is you can embellish these however you want. If you want to put ribbon, if you want to put little jewels, whatever, you know, whatever floats your boat you can do with this. But for now, what I think, let's see. Okay. So what I'm going to do for this one is I'm just going to use a glue stick. Won't these be cute in different kinds of papers, you guys? That gives you a nice clean edge. Okay, and there is your B light, your B shade. Now again, I'm going to bring you down and show you everything, okay? Alright, we make one out of this so there are two different ones. I think this one is too, yeah, I need a bigger piece of paper for that one. That one's that. Okay, let's do scalloped. Let's see what happens with this. Yeah, that one's big enough. And what I did with this, guys, this is just a piece of regular printer paper, and I copied a piece of scrapbook paper with this. This is not bought. Well, I mean, the picture that I took it from was, but I wanted an extra one. And that's what I was telling you. If you like a certain scrapbook piece of paper, copy it with your color copier. Okay? Okay, I'm going to get a pencil, trace this, and then I'll come back and we'll cut it out. Okay, so I have it traced out. Now we're going to cut it. Are many of you decorating with the bee theme? If you are, leave me a comment below. Tell me what you're doing. Send me a picture. That's cute. see how it goes on my trusty glue stick. This is just an Elmer's. Okay, make sure that that's stuck down good. Oh, you know I like this, you guys. I like the ruffle. Look at that. Okay, so that's cute. I like the ruffled one better, and I want to do a ruffle in this print too, so I'm going to trace this just like I did the other one. So I have two ruffle bee lampshades. I think it's cute. Especially for a bee. I don't know why. I don't know why I think it's cute for a bee. And this is why I do it on the back. Well, that's cute. Doesn't that look cute with that little ruffle? Yep. Yep, you guessed it. I'm going to do a courtly check with this. You could just sit, you could go when all of this is on sale at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, wherever, Joann's, Scrapbook.com. Get different papers, you know, for Christmas, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, Halloween. I'm going to do a few Halloween ones too, but I'll do that later on. But just make a bunch of different little lampshades. Make cute little... I love lighting anyway, the ambiance, and I have for years. I mean, I've put white twinkle lights or just white lights in a lot of stuff. You could even put these outside on your patio or on your deck. You wouldn't have to use glass, wine glasses. You could use plastic. Okay, so let's cut this out. Okay, so here's the courtly check. How cute. This is cute. Now we have a quarterly check, we have this bee that I printed out, and we have a scrapbook piece of paper. How cute is that? I love it. I love it. Guys, I hope that you will try this. The sky is the limit. Truly is the limit when it comes to these. Okay. So here you can get up closer. You guys, it is adorable. And you could even paint the stems if you wanted to keep them this way. I'm keeping them clear because I'll probably use different papers, like I said, for Christmas and all. So I'll probably leave them. I don't know. We'll see. But here's another one. This is just scrapbook paper. And this one's a different shape. It's more narrow. But let's see if they flicker. Let me turn off this overhead light. Let's see. Okay. Well, you can see the flickering. Do you see this over here? You can see it from there. But I just would not feel comfortable, and you can see that flickering in there. I just would not feel comfortable putting a real tea light. A real tea candle. You know what I mean? I would be afraid it would catch on fire. So guys, there are the little lampshades. So I'll be doing more. I'm going to do more for Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving. And you can just put these away. You know what I mean? Put them up on top of your closet shelf or something. And then when you want to bring them out, you can just change them. How easy is that? I love it. Okay guys, until we get together again. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.